Okay, there's 4 of them. I was actually hoping a lot of that bark would come off while I was rolling them and dealing with them, but most of it stayed on. Actually, it's not that big a deal. But I have that's an 8. This is where all the 2x4s will come from. Really done forgot what that was across there. It changes. I'm just gonna grab that bark. Don't really matter. 30 inches. 30 inches right there where I measured. It's 8 foot long. This would be the end of that piece. So it's 24 on the small end down there. And this would be the end of that piece, unless I got them mixed up. 24. And this is the end of that piece. $24. 8, 2 12s, and a 20. And there's 12 feet left back there. On the other end down there, I'm still, now it does, let me go down there. I think it, heck, for some reason I was saying it measured 25. I don't know. But it might be because it got up there. A lot of times when you get to limbs, it'll get beefier. But that right there, all those knots, I'm gonna try to use that for the inside boards, inside wall boards. Oh, you know what I bet I did? You see how that's kind of egg shaped there? I bet you anything that's where I measured from. Let me measure across here. Yeah, 19. Yeah, I bet you I had measured from that egg shape there, because it's kind of egg shaped. But still 19, and I'm 52 feet in the air. 12 more feet. And this right here, what really gives me incentive to get this, there's like 8 feet where there's no limbs. I'm sure there were limbs and they died and all, you know how they have to been, but there's no limbs exposed, dead or otherwise. So and it works that way sometimes. It had a group of limbs and then bare spot and then limbs again. I got them all pretty much cleaned up. I got one little spot there I need to clean up. But that'll be, once I get that cedar out the way, that might give me, I have, like I said, 1 more. I can scoot these over a little bit more. I could put 2 more on here. But that next one will just about fill this deck up. And there might be another 8 after that 12. I don't know. I'd have to go back and look and see. But it was getting up there. It was for sure getting small. I think at the end of that 12, I just kind of guessed at it being maybe 12, 14 inches or something like that. And if it is 14 inches, I'm not going to, if it's 14 inches and has limbs, I'll have to look at it, but probably I'll leave it back there. But that right there, I'm going to say, is a 12 by 12 building, every single board. And now I'm even going to go ahead and push my luck and say even the inside wall boards, every frame board, every outside board, and the way it's playing out here now, it looks like I'll have every inside board. And I think they'll be neat with all them knots and all.